In today's video, I am going to teach you how to make a yearly calendar in Google Sheets. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google Sheets. If you are already signed into your Google account, you will land on the Sheets homepage where you can create new spreadsheets and browse templates. If you are not signed in yet, sign in first so you can save your calendar automatically to your drive. Once you are on the Google Sheets homepage, look near the top for the Template Gallery option. Click Template Gallery to open the full collection of ready-made spreadsheets. Using a template is the fastest way to build a clean yearly calendar because the layout, spacing, and basic formatting are already done for you. After the Template Gallery opens, scan the available templates and locate the calendar style option. In this process, you will click the highlighted calendar template to select it. As soon as you select it, Google Sheets will generate a brand new spreadsheet based on that template and open it in a new tab. Now that the calendar file is open, follow the on-screen highlights and click in the highlighted areas within the calendar. These highlighted clicks are typically where you adjust the year, confirm the calendar layout, or activate certain cells so the sheet updates correctly. Take your time and click directly inside the highlighted section each time it appears. If the template includes a header area, clicking there often allows you to type the year or a title for the calendar, so it is clearly labeled when you print or share it. As you continue clicking through the highlighted areas, watch for changes in the calendar view. Many calendar templates automatically populate months and dates once the correct cell is selected or updated. If you see a place to enter the year, type it carefully to ensure all months align correctly. To keep your calendar organized, consider giving the file a clear name at the top left of Google Sheets and make sure you let it finish saving. Google Sheets saves automatically, but it helps to pause for a moment after edits so everything updates smoothly. And that is all there is to it.